Cryptopapa.
Good day to you everybody, welcome to Cryptopapa channel, where crypto is hard but Papa makes it easy. My name is Cronan and once again, thank you very much for clicking into our YouTube video. This is our very first video that we are going to share with you some of the altcoins, some of the signals that we analyze daily. And of course, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and also your risk management. So without further ado, let us jump straight into the market. So the first one we are seeing right now is BTC, Bitcoin. Currently, Bitcoin is standing strong at 121,000 something, which just a couple of hours ago, it just hit the greatest all-time high at 123,000 something. So in this case, I had drawn two little triangle over here, which means there's an accumulation phases going on inside the formation of triangle. So as you can see, once the candlestick starts to, tightening up into this area, it will start to break out through the formation, and then it will start to, going up through another key level, and then we start to ranging again, doing another one. So it repeats over and over again. So in this case, we are predicting that Bitcoin is currently doing the same thing, which will be ranging through this area from 123,000 to 120,000 something. Maybe another one, another accumulation, maybe like another triangle one before it starts to retest, and then it break out, and then we start to move towards the upper higher level. So stay tuned for this one, and then we move on to the next one. So for the next one would be the BTC.D. BTC.D. This is the only one that you can find in TradingView. So what is BTC.D? BTC.D is actually a reference for us to know whether how it moves, how's the dominance moving, because for the candlestick in BTC.D, it will move inversely to the altcoins. So in this case, we are going to shift to 1 day time frame. So in the 1 day time frame, we're actually seeing rising wedges. So once the candlestick recently just break through, and then it start to goes down. So in our language, when the BTC.D starts to goes down, it will be a bullish signal to the altcoins. So this will be a very good scenario in this case to all the crypto traders in the world. So we hope for the BTC.D to drop. So we have to see every day the BTC.D, how is the candlestick moving, and of course we have to see how is the BTC doing. So this will be a major crucial role for everyday's screening. So for the next one, I will be sharing some of the altcoins signal for you. The first one will be the Flocky. Flocky currently is yet to complete a fully completed chart pattern, which will be predicting it will be doing a double bottom. So in this case, this is the only bottom that has been done. We are still waiting, we are still expecting for the candlestick to reach to the entry before we put in the position. So we will see once the candlestick starts to reach towards this area, it will do a respective retest, and then after that it will start to rebound to the upper side. So in this case, we are doing a 1-to-1 ratio of a profit taking. So it will goes to 0.0019 something. So we stay tuned for this one, and then we move on to the next one. For the next one is Uni. Uni is a cups and handles chart pattern, and currently it has reached the first TP. So there's still quite a lot of gap towards the final target. So there are still more time for you to buy on spot. So after that, we will see how is it going. Next one, Pi. I'm a very good supportive of Pi's project and also the community, but in this case, in our daily chart analysis, Pi is not doing so great. We have to see how is it going. Maybe we wait for another breakout through this area, and then we initiate for another entry position. So we stay tuned for this one. So for the next one will be Sol. Sol is obviously doing an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which we will be seeing a 1-to-1 ratio towards the upper side of 189 final target. So there's still more time, there's a lot of gap over here, so there's still some more time for you to buy on spot. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please help us to like, share and subscribe to more of your friends to support the community. I hope you get rich, and I see you on the next video.
Where crypto is hard, but Papa makes it easy.